Introducing the versatile 3-in-1 treadmill, perfect for home, office, and underdesk use. This portable treadmill features an LED display and remote control for easy operation. Balance your work and exercise effortlessly with this treadmill. Enjoy a healthier lifestyle by integrating movement into your daily routine. Experience the power and quiet operation of this treadmill. With a weight capacity of 220 pounds and a low noise level, it's perfect for any home or office setting. Protect your knees with the treadmill's advanced shock absorption system. The 5-layer non-slip running belt ensures a comfortable and safe workout. Track your exercise data with the LED display and remote control. Monitor time, distance, speed, and calories burned for a comprehensive workout. Use the treadmill in any weather without worry. It's perfect for walking, running, physiotherapy, and even pet exercise. The 3-in-1 treadmill is also suitable for pets, making it a versatile addition to any household. Train together and stay active with your furry friends. Save space with the treadmill's easy storage and wheel design. It fits conveniently under the bed, sofa, or furniture, making it ideal for small spaces. This treadmill offers a range of features including adjustable speed, LED display, and a powerful motor. It's designed for convenience and effective workouts. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Check out the links below for more information on the product.